5th, 2021. So there I got a call from a guy. I think I went over there and had to light his 75-gallon gas water heater a couple of months ago. And it was tripped out on the rollout switch because it's got a power venter. Well, I guess he went to Florida for 3 months and he put it on pilot or shut the gas off to the water heater.
State Road.
Now he can't get it lit again. So I explained to him how to hit the reset button and how to light the pilot on the gas, turn it to pilot, hold it in, do the click in while you're holding it. When the light flashes green, then you turn it on, but he can't seem to figure out how to do it. So he wants me to come by there and light it again for him. I'm going back over there to light it for him. I mean, I tried telling the guy how to do it over the phone. He can't get it, or maybe the pilot line's dirty, or the gas is off. I don't know. Supposedly he's got heat in the house, so he should have gas. We'll go by and see what's going on. He says he tried to hit the reset button up on the top because it's got a power venter, rollout switch. He says he reset that.
Turn right on Tucker Road.
I will go through the procedure myself again. ABC and see if it lights. Well, be a service call. 1 hour labor. What did you do when you left? You put it to pilot?
No, I put it down to low.
You put it to low?
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
And I came back, turned it on.
Okay.
And that was the end of it.
Let's see. If it clicks. Well, it's not tripped.
Yeah.
That's not tripped. Okay.
Well, you did what you were supposed to do, I guess.
Well, there's another one down the bottom down here. That one's not tripped either. Alright, so you gotta put this.
And the pilot.
See, you got it on C. You don't have it on pilot. See, you got it on C.
Right.
Put it to pilot.
Yeah.
Right, now hold it in.
Yeah.
Right, and then you gotta hold that in with that and then click that. Alright, stop clicking and keep holding that in. Sound like it popped. So you gotta hold it in. You gotta hold it in until this flashes green.
Yeah.
You got heat in the house?
Yeah.
You got gas?
Yeah.
Well, give it a minute. Pilot's lit. Unless it's a bad gas valve. Anything's possible. Pilot's lit. I'm gonna release it and see if the pilot went right out. Huh. That's odd. Unless it's a bad thermocouple, which this generator might be bad, not making enough millivolts. Okay, I heard it pop that time. Heard it pop that time. There is a generator in there. We might have to change it. It heats up and it makes millivolts. It could be that generator's bad or this gas valve might be bad.
You're not seeing any flicking there, are you?
Not yet, no. So again, I moved some of the wires around and Yeah, we'll let that set for a bit. Oh, there's another one on this side. I didn't even see it. Another one over here.
There you go.
This son of a bitch. I don't know if I can get in there. That one was tripped. That's the one. That one was tripped.
Okay, it pops out when it's tripped. You pushed it back
I
in.
gotta push it back in. That one was out. You got two here, right? That one needed to be reset.
Okay, yeah, I just saw that one there. So now it should flick.
It should.
There it goes,
There
yeah.
it goes. Okay, and then once that's, then you could turn this to hot.
Okay.
And that should.
Oh, jeez.
Leave it alone.
Leave it alone.
Yeah.
Okay, she's
Don't have to go up any higher than that. I mean, you don't have to go to ABC. Hot is fine. So the problem was,
That one was tripped.
this one over here on this side was tripped.
How come they got two?
Supposed to have two.
Oh, you're supposed to have
Yeah.
two. Okay.
Now the power venter comes on. If the power venter don't come on, that's our problem. The power venter didn't come on. Power venter's not coming on outside.
How the hell's the furnace running then?
Power venter's not running.
Remember we cleaned it out the last time you were here?
We couldn't oil it, but it's 11 years old. Where's the breakers? That's supposed to be running, and it's not.
Right.
That's why it's tripping. Where's the power vent? Where's the
Breakers?
I'm gonna turn at the pilot for now. This is supposed to be running. Let me get my kit and we'll check it, okay?
Okay.
The power vent the motor. Remember we wanted to oil it, but we couldn't oil it?
Yeah, it's a...
Yeah. There is a relay. There is a relay in that control that might be bad. Where's the heat? I bet you the relay's bad, and I got them in the truck too. So let me get my kit. Oh, I got it right there. Got my kit. We'll check it. I bet you it's that relay that's bad. Right there, burner. 22 is the burner, and it's on. Alright, so let's see what...
From out.
Yeah.
Spend it all. It's not a joke. I don't think that they're wasting money. Holy shit.
Oh. They're
Ridiculous.
professional at it.
Huh?
They're professional. People like to spend other people's money.
Trillions and trillions and trillions. It's like, holy shit.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Holy cow. Never gonna pay that shit back. There's a relay on the top there. I bet you that relay's bad. I bet you. See that little relay in the back there? I don't know if you can see it or not, but we're gonna check it.
Would you get that flat? Oh, here it is over here.
No, because that shouldn't matter. Because I got power. I got power coming in here to this black. Right?
Yeah.
Into this white here. And then going out is black and white right here. So let's see. See what happens here when I tell you to. You could see what I got here. Alright, we're on voltage. Alright, so we'll get... It seems a little loose as a goose there. Doesn't that seem a little loose as a goose?
You know,
Watch out.
it's one of them. I remember the electrician had if you went in
See
too
how
far,
loose it was?
grounded.
What are you talking about? See how loose that was? That was kind of loose as a goose. We're going to check it, see if we got power. Well, that's loose. That was loose. Alright, so we got the motor going out here. Yeah, it seems a little slipping loose still. All right, turn that on. Turn up the thing on. We'll see if we get voltage going to the
You
motor.
mean the,
Turn it on. Yeah. Take it off a pilot.
okay, it's off a pilot, you got, oh, I see.
Turn it on, so it fires. Turn it up.
There it goes.
Okay, let's give it a minute. Okay, we got power going there, but the power vent is not running. See it? See 120?
Okay. Yeah.
We got a bad power venter out there. Power venter motor died. Shut it off. Turn it back to pilot. We got to replace the power venter motor. So I got power going out to the power venter motor. See it?
Yeah, okay.
And nothing's running. So we got to replace that motor out there. You weren't doing anything wrong.
Oh, that's good to know.
Your pot just died. All right, so what do we got there, burner? We'll shut that off. That should kill it. And we can replace the unit outside.
So even if I got this pilot on, it wouldn't have done any good anyways.
No, I got the power coming in. I just want to make sure that the power's off. And it is, so.
Yeah,
no, it wouldn't have, even if you would have lit it, it would have heated up again and did its job and shut off. The power vent, the motor died.
Okay, that's why.
So I have one in the truck. We can replace it. So all our work is outside. Never a dull moment, huh?
No, there isn't. You got that straight.
Never a dull moment. Makes it interesting, doesn't it?
No.
It don't?
Makes it aggravating. There is a difference.
Well, we did try to oil it, but we couldn't because
Yeah,
I put it in.
Yeah, you would have won it, did you? 10
What?
years ago or something?
10, 11 years ago.
They don't have a long shelf life, do they?
I usually say 7, 8 years.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I mean,
So it's over. It's
yeah, it's gonna last longer than your shot. I'll tell you right now.
Well, yeah. You get yours?
No, I haven't. No.
You're a young man.
It's gonna last longer than your shot. That sucker's only good for 6 months.
Well, hopefully they go
At least,
They're gonna have you coming back every 6 months for that shot, huh?
I think we will. It's like
Yeah,
a flu shot, you
that's what
know.
it is.
I got one in the truck, so we can replace that.
You have a flu shot every year anyway, so I guess this is no different, right?
Alright, we just gotta replace the motor outside. I mean, it could be worse.
Yeah.
Could have been at my house.
Yeah, but you're there. You know what you're doing.
See, you never know. I mean, I always tell people you just never know what's going to happen. There's the part number right there. They make 2 kinds. They make one that's like a horseshoe and a square plate one. This is the most common. No big deal. Yeah, so, they say Florida's really nice.
Oh, yeah. It is. It was 85 every day. Sunny.
Why'd you come back to this place?
Publications.
Yeah.
We usually go down there for 3 months, but this year, because of the corona.
Is that enough? 3 months though?
Oh, yeah. January, February, and March. It's not enough, but that's what we do.
Because you rent?
Yep.
Yeah. Now, if you didn't rent, you don't think it's worth buying down there?
Like she said, if we were 10 years younger.
If you were younger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got, you got to keep the property up. You got still condo fees like this place.
You like the Keys?
Yeah. The only part of Florida we'd go to.
Sarasota?
Yo, that's nice over there, sure.
No?
Yep. Anything on the west.
Yeah, you
west
feel.
coast.
Put your hand on there and feel how hot it is.
Oh, that's
Feel how hot it is?
Yeah.
Thing is, there was no oiler on this. Wish I would have been able to. We were here not that long ago, right?
February 20th.
There's an old saying that they say shit happens.
Yeah.
You ever hear that?
Oh, no, never have.
Never had.
Yeah, that's the first time.
I made that up, I think.
I don't think so.
I did. But, yeah, I replaced this motor. And I guess now they don't come with oilers on them. What can I tell you?
Got a lot of bearings that way, and
They don't want shit to last.
No. Everything's got a shelf life, and that's it.
Crazy. Kind of crazy, but it's true. Huh? Sad but true. So, no big deal. We'll change it. It's not rocket science. I'm not building a space shuttle here. This is the 1132, the green size. Just 3 bolts and we pull it out, put the new one in there.
Piece of cake.
Looks like a shit. So did you have a problem with the shot? No?
No.
They say the females have more of a problem, the ladies.
She didn't have any.
She didn't. Would you get the Moderna?
She got the Moderna, I got the Pfizer.
And no problems.
No problem. A little sore arm for a day or two, but that was it.
That was it.
Yeah. They say it's 95% effective against that Chinese thing.
So you might be better off just getting it, huh?
Oh yeah, you'd be crazy not to.
I mean, it's free, I think, right?
Yeah.
They're not even charging you for
No
it.
charge.
No charge.
No.
Oh, something.
Send a bill over to Wuhan.
Wuhan.
Oh, it's just a little fan.
Oh, see it?
Oh,
it's bound up.
Yeah.
Bound up tighter than Pamela Harris.
Yeah.
Holy shit!
Yeah, no wonder. So it wasn't, thank God it wasn't my imagination.
Look at that, huh? I can't even spin it.
You ever see one like that?
Bound up tighter than Pamela Harris.
Sees right up.
Oh, there
you
it goes.
got it.
Gotta change it now, though.
Oh, yeah.
You want to put it back in?
What do you think?
I don't think so. I wouldn't do
Not
it.
if you had it. If it seized up once, it'll do it again.
No.
Because the minute you leave, it's going to seize up.
Probably.
Yeah.
You'll be calling me back. Hey, you remember you were here last week?
Yeah, right.
Let's just change it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's been in there 10 years, so you got 10 years out of it.
Yeah.
I mean, if it had an oiler on it, I would say, well, let's oil it. But I wonder if the new one's got an oiler on it. You want to make a bet? I bet you it don't. Yep, the new one does.
Wow. Where's the oiler?
Need an oiler? The new one's got an oiler, and the old one didn't. Ain't that something, huh?
Wow. Okay, interesting. What, there 2 little bearings must be in there.
Well, yeah, we got to oil it every couple of years, every 5 years or something.
Yeah, with a little household oil, huh?
No, there's a special oil for that.
Oh, is there?
So, we'll be dipped in shit. Yeah, so I don't think you even have to pay for the shot.
Oh, no. Oh, is that, they give you the oil itself, huh?
No, that's a sealant.
Oh.
See, what's good about this is not all rotted. This is still in good shape. The oil ones will rot out, the plate, then you have to replace the whole thing. Wuhan, China.
Yeah.
What a crazy virus, huh?
Oh, he's just starting to get back now. And the restaurant business was going strong before this happened.
Really? That's the outside alarm.
Okay.
Yeah.
He made most of his money on the bar.
Yeah, that's what they say.
Yeah, and he had to shut the bar down, you know.
Yeah.
He had to rent a piece of property across the street so he could put tables out there. And
How much did he lose? A lot?
oh, lots. O'Hara's. And,
Lucky he's still in business then,
I know,
huh?
his family's in it, so the family was able to work for nothing type thing, you know.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
And like I say, 2 years ago, we spent about $1 million remodeled both restaurants.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
then they shut them right down.
Shut them right down. In the city of Newton, I don't know if you've ever been there, but there a lot of restrictions up around Boston.
Oh, really?
Yeah, oh jeez, yeah.
Well, the covert thing, I mean, they shut you right down.
Oh yeah, they did. And you got to go by the regulations. If you don't,
Is he open now?
yep.
100, what is it, 100% or 70%?
No,
or
I think 50.
50?
Yeah, and the bars, you can't have stools beside each other, you know. They got to have a table, and you got to be able to eat, not just drink.
Oh, I thought they had the plastic. They had the plastic up on the sides there.
Yeah, they do.
But yeah, you can't just drink. You gotta eat.
You got to eat, yeah.
Yeah, they said that to me. I went to a couple of them and they said, "Oh, you can't just order a drink." It's like, well, I'm gonna get a meal anyway.
You got to have the meal there.
You gotta have the meal before you could order the drink.
That's it.
Crazy.
Yeah.
That's been a rule for a while then, I
Yeah,
guess.
probably about a year.
That's our governor did that shit, I think.
Yeah. They all did it, you know. Even in Florida, they did it. Now Florida's wide open. When we were there, you wouldn't know there's a covert down there.
They wear masks or no masks?
Yep.
But you wouldn't know.
You wouldn't know. The bars, stools are right beside each other. You don't need a mask once you get in up to the bar and start drinking. But to go in and walk around, you need to go to the bathroom. You're supposed to have it.
Yeah. So it's not like around here.
No, we're tight around here.
Tighter than 2 coats of paint. Huh?
Yeah. But they got, you know, in Florida, there's fresh air, you know, you can walk out. Here, we got triple deckers, everything's so close. Down there, there's room.
Oh, you think there's more room down there?
Oh, yeah, and you can leave the doors of the restaurants open.
It's warmer.
Yeah, and a lot of outdoor eating down there, you know.
Now, would you move down there in the summer or it's too hot?
Oh, we've gone down there in the summertime, and it's brutal. You can't go out.
It's too bad. It's too hot.
Too hot, just muggy. The sweat just pours
Really?
off you. Oh,
So you're
yeah.
better off being a snowbird, doing like you do, back and forth.
Absolutely. You know, 6 months down there, 6 months up here.
6 months in the winter,
Yep.
and then 6 months.
In the summer up here,
Yeah, so it's cooler.
get cooler.
That's the perfect thing.
That's the perfect thing. That's what the old, you know, a lot of the rich old people do.
Yeah.
See, we're not rich.
But it's not worth buying. You don't think? You're better
No,
off
not
just.
at this age.
at your age.
You should go down there.
I've been thinking about it.
Oh, you should. Spend your winters down there, but you're kind of a job here. You go 12 months out of the year.
Yeah, I don't know. I kind of like this area.
Oh, this is beautiful. You know, we were up around Lowell. That's where we moved from, and
I wouldn't mind vacationing down here and see what it's like.
oh, you should.
Just to go see. They say the beaches are beautiful.
Oh, yeah, yeah. The water's warm. You know, the water at the Keys right now is 78 degrees. So yeah, it's just beautiful.
Wow, 78, huh?
Yeah, in the summer.
It's perfect then.
Yeah, in the summer it gets too hot. It's like taking a bath. You know, 85, 86 degrees.
Oh, it gets too hot.
Oh yeah, way too hot. Okay.
So this just seals it,
Yeah.
right?
Keep
Put a little baby shit in there.
Yeah.
Give it a little. This will just seal it up. We'll put the cover on and then we'll go downstairs and it should fire right up. New motor.
Yep. Nice and quiet and new.
The other one was all bound up. Didn't have an oiler on it and it's hot, so you just change it.
Yeah. While you're here, it'd be crazy to come back again to do this same job.
You know, if it had an oiler, we oiled it, that'd be different, but I don't know why it didn't have one. I really
Yeah,
don't.
you were the one that put it in.
I did. I buy these things from the supplier,
Right.
and they must have bought these motors from somebody that didn't have oilers. I mean, I don't know what to say.
Made in China?
No, not the old one. It was a different. This is a Fabco. That's a good. It's like anything else. I buy this shit from the supplier.
Yeah.
They have these motors,
Yeah.
and I don't know.
They try to get the motor at the cheapest price they
I have
can.
no idea where they. you know, if I buy one next week, it might be different.
Yeah.
I didn't like the idea of not having the oiler on it though. Got 10 years out of it.
Yeah,
11 years.
Yeah, I guess what more could you ask for?
Can't be complaining too much. I had one in the truck.
Yeah, that's a nice thing. You didn't have to go and then come back.
Then that would have been more, you know,
Yeah, taken from,
more money.
yeah, more of your time. Your time is money.
Be taking more of your money because I go get the pot.
Yeah, right. How far you gotta go? Where's your plumbing guy?
New Bedford. She should fire right up. We have to put the power on.
I wonder how, I thought that has to run for the furnace too.
It does.
So how's the furnace been running?
I don't know why it didn't trip it out.
Yeah.
There is a rollout switch down here and didn't trip out, which I'm surprised. Alright, so we turn this up and then that power venter should fire. Should be a little delay. There it goes. Here it goes. Good?
Yeah.